Right now we are at the Narsaq. The weather has been much better now. We have already been here for 3 days today, so we will be leaving this again tomorrow for Kakoktok. And today is very nice day.
Finally.
Yeah, finally we have had bad luck with the weather. So I just wrote a letter to my fiance, so I'm gonna go to the post office and send it like a OG style. I never see people named Dagmar except for me, so this is quite a bit fun for me to see this one. Dagmar. I just sent a postcard to very important people of mine. If you can guess it who it is, it would be my fiance. So we are heading to the midtown right now to buy some food and necessities, which is down there. And right here we can see the hotel Narsaq. If you have been stayed here, there is a high possibility you have been staying right here. These are paintings from Isabelle Vasseur. She is a Parisian woman who went for a visit to Greenland, so she found a great inspiration for her drawings or paintings. I think most people I went with, this is the favorite. After we are traveling to home today. It's so nice right now. I'm gonna miss this place, especially this one. It's where they get degrees on their chef stuff. I don't know how to say in English, but they learn how to cook here. So we were testing persons for their food and it was pretty good. The first group is leaving Narsaq, so we are about to leave as well. I didn't take so many pictures while we are here because everything is so fast. We are going there, we are going there, we are going there and over there. But we will be back to Narsaq in about an hour. It's a beautiful day. Now we are going home by taxi, so we are waiting for the cab to arrive and we will be resting, washing and everything else.